This is I'm not sure what the name of the set is, but the set of elevators in the main building, the main part of Doctor's Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. That one's on 3. I'm gonna cut the video till we get an elevator. That one's just staying on 3. So we got this one. We're gonna do a 5. Here we are at 5. Here is your inspection certificate and your phone. Here's your cab view. It's actually a pretty big cab, like 4,500 pound capacity. You can't see much up the shaft. So, actually we're just gonna end it here. So with that being said, that'll be it.